Dad, what do you got?
What did you get?
New bicycle.
A new bicycle, Daddy. We're gonna go for a bike ride.
It has Hello Kitty.
With Mommy.
My favorite. And this is the bell, and this is what it sounds like. I want to try this. And these are the little ribbons.
Yep.
And he has a blinker, flashers like mine.
Oh, cool.
Does my flasher work?
Sure they do. They're flashers so that you push your feet backwards to stop.
Is that your first bike, man?
Pedal back.
Ow!
Now look at to stop you go like that. All right?
Now what do I do?
No. Push back to stop. No.
She gives it a good look until something starts to go.
How?
Okay, want to ride up to Nan and Noni?
Drink beer.
She's so tired.
I did it.
Yeah, do. Keep the speed up. Push your feet. Show Uncle Mike.
Yeah, we'll put it on this stuff. Don't call up your day over that. Get going.
Look, Nan, she's doing it.
Oh, she is doing it.
Papa,
Yeah?
I can't find my bag.